James hindi kinaya si Vice. Inamin ni James Reid na hindi para sa kanya ang hosting. Sinubukan daw niyang mag-host sa It's Showtime, pero inaatake raw siya ng nerbiyos kapag katabi si Vice Ganda. Tinanong kasi siya ni Corina Sanchez sa Corina Interviews Show on Net25 kung ano ang mas gusto niyang gawin, acting, singing, dancing or hosting. Definitely not hosting, natatawang sagot ni James. I tried hosting on It's Showtime, I get too nervous when I'm standing next to Vice Ganda. Pati si Corina ay hindi makapaniwala sa tinura ni James at say niya, totoo ba? Katwiran ni James, she's Vice Ganda, so witty, so smart. Definitely ay music daw talaga ang gusto niyang gawin noon pa, kaya nang humiwalay siya sa love team nila ni Nadine Lustre ay mas nag-focus siya sa pagkanta at hindi na nga gumawa ng pelikula after his last film, Miss Granny, with Sarah Geronimo. Anyway, ang ganda rin ng sagot ni James nang matanong tungkol sa love team nila ni Nadine. Being in a love team, I think, was the most instrumental thing to who I am today. It really made me who I am now. I discovered so much about myself, being part of a love team and all the projects that I did. It's a phenomenon in the Philippines that doesn't exist anywhere else. So, I'm so lucky to be part of a love team, pahayag ni James.